2 a.m. I'm going to bed. Ooh, alright, so I didn't fall asleep for an hour. So I only got like about an hour of sleep. I got a shower, and I've got my travel outfit on. I love these sweatpants, they're so comfy. Got Jake's laptop, but I am leaving for Florida today. So we're gonna attempt to vlog as cringy as this is going to be, but it's gonna be fucking awesome. I'm taking my drone and everything, and we're gonna get some cool shots. But now I have to go downstairs, make sure I have everything packed. Jake will be here in about 10 minutes because his mom's driving us to the airport. One thing I always do before I travel is I come into my room and I'm like, okay, is there anything in here I might need? So I come over here, now there's nothing I might need. Let me come over here, I don't need any of this or anything back here. Nothing there. So then I come over here and I'm like looking through everything, making sure I'm good. I've got tissues in my bag for my allergies. I'm looking, and then right here, I see these. And I remember my tablet has a different headphone jack than my fucking phone, because when they came out with the iPhone 7, they decided to make it so this is the headphone jack now. So I had the right headphones packed for my phone, but not for my tablet. Always do that sweep of your room. I love traveling. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. What'd you say?
Speaking of our home, is he bringing that strapping young buck Franklin? Don't be too excited. He's engaged to his cousin Eleanor, whom I just got to meet. Finally, another one brave enough to let her words be her makeup.
So what you're telling me is I can't go into an airport. I can't go into an airport and scream bomb. That's not a good idea. Okay. Or if I tell them about the gun in my carry-on bag, you know? And then I get a what'd you say, finger up the butt? Ah, yeah. Screw the crosswalk, just let's go. Yeah. So I told Jake to take his bag as carry-on because it was small enough. Why spend $25 on checked baggage, you know? Well, he had liquids in there that were too big, so now he has to go check in the bag or trash the liquid. So he's checking in the bag and going. It makes traveling better.
Red line. So what are the odds that you go run across the airport right now?
You don't own me.
What are the odds?
The odds are no. Okay, all right, 1 to 5.
1 to 5, you just take off sprinting.
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
3.
4.
Ah, damn. Ah, this is the plane we die on, Jake.
Sure is. Can't be more excited than this. Hey, I mean,
Oh, we're good. They're operated by Pusa.
oh, okay.
Yeah, Pusa.
aviation regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, posted placards.
We made it to Europe. He's not dead, right? No, he's not dead. Okay. We made it to Europe. No, I'm just messing with him. Florida though.
Oh, you're going to LA now?
Yeah.
That's why you don't pull all-nighters. Like in an hour, right?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, really?
Understand that we are in Virginia, right?
Sure it's vape? Got it. Jake, what?
Yeah, I really don't.
What? What'd you say to me?
Put that clip on my computer, that's 2 dinners.
That's 2 dinners. Oh my gosh. Wow! It didn't sound good.
And you dropped this one. Good job. Good job. Good job, Dylan.
This is child's play to him. 7 hours, please. I remember when I slept 7 hours in the womb.
No, you're so fucking stupid.
IHOP.
Walk to the iHeart Westgate sign. Take a picture with the shark.
Ooh, I thought of a good way to transition. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna toss it. Oop, all right. I don't know how well that worked, but I guess we'll see.
In a quarter mile, turn left to stay.
Went to bed and then it got slightly louder and then it went quiet again.
You're a ninja. You are a ninja. And Jake just doesn't even notice. Did you do a builder breakfast? Yeah. Done. Probably, isn't it? What's up? You want to be my cameraman for me, Aaron? I just gotta stretch real quick. Do you have anything to say to that?
I'm in the background.
Depression.
You have a perfect knee shot too.
I swear to God.
That still would even hurt.
Okay, but don't hit me where I like it.
If you were a little bit lower, it would have been worse.
You get queer bag. Floor slippery.
It's still important.
We get that fresh glaze on